The Titanic. Even her name evokes a sense of awe and grandeur, a true marvel of its time. This colossal ship, the largest ever built at the time, captured the world's imagination from the moment her keel was laid. She represented the pinnacle of human ambition, a floating palace that promised to ferry its passengers across the Atlantic in unparalleled luxury. The story of the Titanic begins in the shipyards of Belfast, Ireland. Here, thousands of skilled workers toiled tirelessly for over 2 years to bring this ambitious project to life. The scale of the undertaking was staggering and unprecedented.
To launch the lifeboats, but there were not enough lifeboats for everyone on board. The Titanic, designed to carry over 3,500 passengers and crew, had only enough lifeboats for just over half that number.
Section 6. The depths claim a giant. In the early hours of April 15, 1912, the Titanic, her lights blazing defiantly against the darkness, slipped beneath the waves. Over 1,500 souls, men, women and children, perished in the icy waters of the North Atlantic. The unsinkable ship, once a symbol of human ambition, had become a monument to human folly. The sinking of the Titanic sent shockwaves around the world. Newspapers carried harrowing accounts of the disaster, bringing the tragedy into the homes of millions. The disaster exposed the limitations of technology and the arrogance of those who believed they could conquer nature. The world mourned the loss of the Titanic and the thousands who perished with her. But from the depths of this tragedy, a new era of maritime safety would emerge.
Section 7. Echoes of Tragedy, the Aftermath. The sinking of the Titanic had a profound impact on the world, forever altering the way we think about maritime safety. In the aftermath of the disaster, inquiries were launched on both sides of the Atlantic, seeking to understand what went wrong and to prevent such a tragedy from ever happening again. One of the most significant outcomes of these inquiries was the establishment of the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, or SOLAS. This treaty, adopted in 1914, mandated sweeping changes to maritime safety regulations. SOLAS introduced requirements for lifeboat capacity for all passengers and crew on board, ensuring that a tragedy like the Titanic, where there were not enough lifeboats for everyone, would never be repeated. Section 8. Lessons Learned, Maritime Safety Transformed. The sinking
Emerged from the wreckage, stories that remind us of the best of humanity in the face of the worst. Whatever the reason, the Titanic's legacy endures. She stands as a symbol of human ambition, technological innovation, and the fragility of life itself. Her story serves as a reminder of the importance of learning from the past, of respecting the power of nature, and of cherishing the preciousness of life. The Titanic, now resting silently on the ocean floor, serves as a poignant memorial to those who perished that fateful night, but she also stands as a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit, a spirit that strives, innovates, and perseveres, even in the face of unimaginable tragedy.